Welcome to the Portable Classroom. Maximize your potential program. This exercise is designed to enhance the student's understanding of the tenses of English. And today, in this exercise, we are going to talk about and compare two different tenses in English. One of them is the past tense, and the other one is the simple present tense. So without any more delay, let's start the exercise. Now you are going to fill in the blanks of the following 10 questions with the correct forms of verbs using the present simple tense or the past tense. Now, first thing we do is that we find the time marker of the sentence, the time expression of the sentence. Say for example, number 1, the time expression is never, and the other one is on the weekdays. Both of these time markers tell us that it is a sentence about the person's habit. So you know when it's a person's habit, something that a person regularly does, we have to use the present simple tense. Sam is a third person singular pronoun, so we have to make some changes. Make actually becomes makes. So the correct answer is Sam never makes dinner for his family on the weekdays. It is the present simple tense. Take a look at question number 2. Again, let's find the time marker. Usually time marker is either in the middle of the sentence, at the end of a sentence, or at the very beginning of a sentence. So the time marker is here. Last night. When you see last night, you know something happened in the past. So we have to use the past tense. The past tense of make, it's made. It's an irregular verb. So the answer is Sam made dinner for her family last night. Number 3. Now again, let's find a time marker. The time marker is over here, last week. So it's about something that Peter and Sam did last week. We have to use the past tense. Now the past tense of the word see, it's saw. It's an irregular verb. So Peter and Ken saw a movie together last night, and it's talking about a movie that I saw last week. So past tense, be verb. The past tense be verb that goes with the pronoun it is was. So Peter and Ken saw a movie together last night, and it was a very good movie. Number 4, again, let's find a time marker. The time marker is over here, every night. Something that happens every night. It's the person's habit. And the person that we're talking about, it's Lynn. Third person singular. So habit, third person singular, present simple tense. Some changes with the word sit. It becomes sits. So Lynn sits at her desk and studies, so there's a typo, studies very hard every night. Now why IES? Well, again, it's talking about the person over here. Third person singular pronoun. In the present simple tense, we have to add an extra S, IES, or something else at the end. Now number 5, take a look at the time marker. The time marker is last month. Last month talking about something that happened in the past. So we have to use the past tense. Now the past tense of drive is an irregular verb. The past tense of it is drove. So Tim and Joanne drove to California to visit their grandparents last month. Now number 6, again, let's find a time marker. It's over here. Every day after school. Now when you see every day, you're pretty sure it's in habit of a person, the habit of Leo. So present simple tense. Now, do remember Leo is a third person singular pronoun? And here, this is a verb. When there's a verb, we have to use a helping verb to make a question. The helping verb in the present simple tense, there are 2, do or does. Now, the one that goes with Leo is does. So, what does Leo? Now, we use a base verb after the helping verb, do. So helping verb over here, base verb over here. Now it's a question. When you see a verb, you need a helping verb to form a question. When there's a helping verb, remember the verb has to remain its basic form, the base verb. Okay? Number 7. Again, let's find a time marker. Time marker is over here, yesterday afternoon. So when you see a time marker like this, you're pretty sure it's talking about something happened in the past. So you have to use the past tense. Now again, there's a verb. When there's a verb and it's a question, we need a helping verb to help the verb to form a question. Now, past tense helping verb, there's only one, did. So what did Leo remember? When there's a helping verb, we need to use a base verb after it. So do. So a verb, you need a helping verb to make a question. When there's a helping verb in a sentence, remember you need a base verb after it. So the answer is like this. What did Leo do yesterday afternoon? Now number 8. Again, let's look for the time marker. The time marker is over here, last night. Last night, what happened in the past? Again, the past tense. And it's a question again. You can see that it's a question again. Now, the verb is over here. So when there's a verb, again, you need to use the helping verb. Over here, past tense helping verb, there's only one. So did. What song did Jennifer, now again, base verb, sing on stage last night? Now number 8, it's what song did Jennifer sing on stage last night? Number 9, again, let's look for the time marker. The time marker is over here, yesterday. So when you see yesterday, you know it's talking about something that happened in the past. Again, there's a verb, so we need a helping verb. The helping verb that we use in the past tense is did. So what did you? Base verb after helping verb, have. So what did you have for dinner yesterday? The final question, number 10. Look for the time marker. Now, there's one over here. There's another one over here. But which one's the most important one? They're both important. You can, just by looking at the word, usually you know it's talking about person's habit. And here, after he gets up, the reason why there is an S is because this is about something that happens every day or maybe happens regularly. So definitely it's a person's habit. It's Ben's habit to be exact. So present simple tense. Now a verb, so helping verb. Now the person is Ben. You can see that. Now the helping verb that goes with Ben is does. There are two, do or does. We have to use does with the third person singular pronoun. So what does Ben usually, again, base verb after a helping verb, do? So number 10, what does Ben usually do after he gets up? So this is these are the answers for the worksheet. I hope you enjoy it. And for more information, please visit www.theportableclassroom.blogspot.tw. Thanks for your patience.